Hello students, welcome to today's video. This is your classroom live learning for life. Today we are going to discuss the questions and answers of class 9 chapter 2 of ICSE geography, that is rotation and revolution. I have posted two videos on rotation and revolution before. If you are watching first this video, please watch that videos too to understand more. This video is about the questions and answers only. That means the questions given in the end of your chapter 2, rotation and revolution. Let's go to the video. First of all, I have given short answer type questions. That means it can be asked for only 1 mark or 2 marks. Okay. So that is one word or one sentence questions. First question, you can see that this is very short answer. That is what causes the slight flattening of Earth at two poles, that is speed of rotation. Write the meaning of the terms solstice and equinox. So I have given only the meaning. There is no need of any explanation. Now, which is the longest day in southern hemisphere? You have to write only the day. Okay. Then which is the longest day in northern hemisphere? Only day you have to write. Like this, I have given only the pinpoint answers. So that is only enough for 1 mark questions. Now, coming here, you can see sentences. This type of question also can be asked for 1 mark. Now, name the effects of the Earth's rotation. This I have given some 5 points. Why? Because it can be asked for 1 mark also, 2 mark also, and sometimes long answer. All effects they may ask. Some effects. Okay. So it can be asked for 5 marks also. So I have given like this. If it is 1 mark question and they are asking only one effect, you can select any effect which is easy for you to remember. Now, state 2 effects of west to east rotation of the earth. So I have given here 2. You have to, everything I have given very short. Okay, and it is easy for remembering. Now, what is meant by the revolution of the earth? What are its effects? This can be asked for 2 marks. So I have given here 3 effects. Sometimes you may get a long answer type question also. So this will help you to get full marks in long answer also and short answer also questions. Okay. In long answer questions also, you can take this or study for this. Next, when do summer solstice and winter solstice occur? How do they occur? For this question, some explanation is needed. That is why I have explained like this. So you have to study. Next, name the path along which the earth travels when moving around the sun. How long does this movement take place? See, I have given only the answer. Okay, name the path. You have to name only. There is no need of any explanation. The question is like name the path. Okay, and how does or how the duration? Only you have to mention this. This also can be asked for 1 mark or 2 mark. Okay, next is what is a leap year? This can be asked for 1 mark. Give the days when days and nights are equal duration on the equator. See here, that is only the days you are supposed to give. What do you mean by sidereal day? That I have given here. This can be asked for 2 marks or 1 mark also. Next is what is perihelion? Mention the date of this phenomenon. So only you have to write the meaning and what it mean for earth. Okay, and the date. Always you have to remember that answer to the question. What is the question? That answer only you are supposed to write. There is no need of any more explanations, and it never gives you more marks also. Unnecessary, you need not write anything. Why does the speed of the Earth's revolution vary? Only the answer you are supposed to write. It is only one sentence. You can make it very short. Now state the effects of speed of Earth's rotation. So effects means it can be more. State one effect or state only one. If they are asking, you have to write only one. Here effects they are asking, so I have given here 2 effects. Okay, which you can write and a little explanation is needed. Now state any 2 special features of summer solstice. Okay, so 2 features they asked. I have given here very shortly 2 effects. Next is define the following. For this also, define the following also, you will get this question only for 1 mark. So no need of more explanation. Okay, definition only you are supposed to write. Earth axis. The imaginary line on which Earth spins is called this axis. That is enough. There is no need of any explanation. Now, plane of ecliptic. The same like I have given the correct explanation. Now Farrell's law. See here, I have given the definition of Farrell's law. There is no need of more explanation. Okay, perihelion, even aphelion also. Now this part distinguish between, that means distinguish between, you have to study very clearly. That means you have to write here differences. Never and ever write the same points. Okay, so distinguish means always you have to keep in mind, it is you are supposed to write differences. So here solstice and equinox. Okay, so you have to write here 2 points. I have given 2 differences. Okay, now perihelion and aphelion also 2 differences, and rotation and revolution also 2 different. Usually this asks for 2 marks. That's why I have given 2. Again, spring equinox and autumn equinox. Here I have given 3 differences because this sometimes it can ask for 3 marks. Okay, now give reasons. This is usually asked for 2 marks or 1 marks. So here you can see that some questions need not explain more. Okay, the answer, if it is 2 marks also, if you write the correct reason, you will get that 2 marks. Okay, they never count the points. So altitude of the sun varies at a place according to seasons. So what is the reason? So this is only one sentence is enough. Only one answer is there for that. Okay, there is no other point. So that you can write this because of the inclination of the Earth's axis. Okay, seasons are reversed in northern and southern hemisphere due to the revolution of the Earth. Even though if you are writing a little explanation also, you will get the same mark only. So this is the very short answer which can give you score good marks. Okay, see here all these give reasons questions, you can see that I have taken the very important point only. No need of any extra explanation. Now coming here also, you can see some questions need only one sentence answer, but sometime you may get more points because that needs more points. That is why. Okay, that is why it is given as more points. Now here also you can see the regions near North Pole and South Pole have 6 months of continuous daylight and darkness. This is only 2 sentences. It is a little long, which you are supposed to understand and write. If you did not watch my previous video, someday you may not understand the meaning. But those who watched the video, it is easy for them to understand. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.